Hi guys, I'm Nick from King O'Rourke, and today I'm going to show you guys how to remove and stow away your sky panels on your GMC Hummer EV. Alright guys, your first step is going to be lowering all 4 windows before you put the car either in park or turn the vehicle off. Alright, next step is going to be undoing the latches on our sky panels. You're going to repeat this step 3 times on the 2 latches of each sky panel. Before we fully remove our sky panels, we're going to open our e-trunk and get our storage bags out. For storage of your sky panels, ensure that on the bag the handles are facing you and the logo is facing up. To remove our sky panels, we're going to lift up and pull away to disengage the safety pins on our I-beam. Similar to other gas 4x4s on the market, this is an easy one-person job. While stowing away your panel, ensure that your weather strip is facing towards the rear of the vehicle. You're going to repeat this step 3 more times, zipping up each bag and stacking each sky panel as you go. You have tie downs provided by General Motors to further secure your sky panels in your e-trunk. Now that we have all 4 sky panels removed and stowed away safely, feel free to enjoy your open air experience.